To stain our project, we are going to be using the color Golden Oak, some gloves, and a rag. We're going to apply a little bit of stain to the rag, and we're going to work our way around our project, starting at the top, staining with the grain, making sure that we coat all of the surfaces and get good coverage. The stain is going to add some color and enhance the grain. And we're just going to continue around our project, spending a little bit extra time right around the area that the horizontal support joins the side. Sometimes you have to squeeze the rag into the corner to get good stain coverage. And don't forget to get the underside as well as the insides of our horizontal supports. Now, it is not necessary to get the bottom of the feet, but we do want to get underneath here where we routered. After the stain has sat on there for about 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and do a second coat of stain around the entire project. I'm going to let that second coat soak in for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to do a third coat. After our third coat has soaked in for about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to come back with a piece of new, clean rag, and I'm just going to soak up any additional stain that's sitting on the surface of the project. Now, when I come back tomorrow, I'm going to do the same thing I did today. I'm going to apply about 3 coats of stain, waiting 5 minutes between the coats, 15 minutes after the last coat, and then ultimately wiping it down very lightly with a new, clean, dry rag. After that, I'm going to wait an additional 24 hours, and then I should be ready for polyurethane.